Finmars is a platform designed for creating financial solutions, such as portfolio management, business accounting, financial modeling, and more. In this video, we will showcase the portfolio management solution that is appropriate for investors, asset managers, family offices, banks, and other financial institutions.
Initially, we'll create an empty database and then populate it with information. We should proceed to the marketplace. Marketplace is a place where various configurations are available. The configuration determines how you will use the platform. There is the option to configure it independently or choose from pre-built solutions developed by Finmars employees and our partners. By selecting the standard configuration for portfolio management system, we will wait for the installation of all necessary modules. Afterwards, we'll go to the dashboard, where we'll upload files with data on transactions, prices, rates, and financial instruments. The system will automatically analyze these files, import the data, and supplement it if necessary, such as courses and prices for traded instruments, as well as providing additional information about instruments, factors, accruals, and so on. Data can be extracted from both our database and external sources, such as Bloomberg, Telecurse, Cbones, and other providers. We use data from pre-prepared files as an example, but there are modules available in the marketplace for importing information from banks, brokerage firms, and other platforms. If the desired source is unavailable in the marketplace, it can be added independently or ordered from us. Import is possible through API access to FTP servers, as well as manual loading with recognition of PDF and Excel files. Usually, we integrate any data import method by observing security policies. After successfully loading the data, you can start analyzing it. Go to Dashboard. This is the main window for data analysis, where all the necessary information is available in one place. Every indicator, every graph can be customized to suit your requirements. Below are the elements with important indicators like NAV, PL, balance charts, categorized by currencies, asset types, portfolios, accounts, and more. You can also view the evaluation of portfolio performance and details regarding the top and bottom performers. Configure display currency, portfolios, and data period via filters. List and set of filters can also be customized and adjusted as needed. By switching to the Balance tab, you have the option to study NAV in detail. It is categorized into customizable categories, allowing you to drill down to the level of instruments and transactions that form them. At the top, a matrix is shown on the screen. At the moment, portfolios and assets are presented, but it is possible to change, for example, to accounts, currencies, asset type, economic sectors, country risk, and so on. The primary point is that this information needs to be included in the data that we upload or that we have enhanced from other sources of information. By selecting the bonds category in the portfolio, we can see the available instruments and detail each. The list of variables for transaction details is also configurable. Now we have opened the transaction to purchase the instrument. Here we can observe all the variables which are in this transaction. The list of these variables is also configurable. The list of data variables is defined by the standard configuration, but if you need additional information, assume that you have received comments from the front side of the project, office, middle office, and you desire to attach them individually to every transaction or the manager accountable for initiating this transaction. This can also be customized to meet your requirements. Tech functionality for analyzing profit and loss indicator. Customizable matrix. Detailed view of realized and unrealized positions with ability to see which transactions generated selected P&L, purchases, sales, coupons, dividends, FX trades, etc. For a more detailed analysis, we provide separate pages with advanced reports, including balance, P&L, and performance. For example, in the balance report, you can quickly configure the display of data in the desired format. You have the ability to group data by all available columns, modify the order and types of groupings, utilize sorting by one or several columns, as well as adjust the currency and time period, display settings to suit your needs. Each column can be supplemented with a filter, and global search is also available for all columns. The list of columns is a fully customizable feature that each user has the ability to define for themselves. If you need to examine the transactions underlying a particular position, you can utilize the split panel function to observe the corresponding transactions. In this mode, you can view all transaction details as well as information about the instrument, including the accrual schedule, maturity date, exposure currency, economic sector, factor change schedule, and much more. The list of information about the tool can also be customized. If a field is not present in the configuration being used, you have the option to add it and define rules for filling it in. For instance, you can contribute your classification of the instrument by country of risks. The tool is a key entity in the system on which all analytics is built. The functionality of the tool constructor allows you to define custom logic for calculating its profitability and other parameters, providing work with a wide range of instruments, such as various types of bonds, stocks, futures, options, credit default swaps, cryptocurrencies, funds, vehicles, real estate, metals, and many others. In addition to importing data, the system has manual blocking of transactions with ability to generate bank orders in required format, including email messages and PDF files. When blocking transactions for a traded instrument, the system automatically loads all the necessary information about this instrument, including the name, ease-in, expiration date, and price for the selected day.